friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about EVGA GeForce GTX 1630 ST graphics card, and friend, it is built with the powerful graphics performance of the award-winning NVIDIA Turing architecture, and friend, set up to better gaming with GeForce GTX, and friend, featuring concurrent execution of floating point and integrated operation, adaptive setting technology, and new unified memory architecture. Turing Saturn enable greater performance on today's game and improved power efficiency over the previous generation for a faster, cooler, and quieter gaming experience. And friend, capture and share videos, screenshot, live streams with friends. Keep your GeForce drives up to date and optimize your game setting. GeForce Experience let you do it all, and friend, it is essential companion to GeForce graphics card, and this powerful photo mode lets you take professional grade photographs of your games like never before. And friend, you can capture and share your most brilliant gaming experience with super resolution 360-degree HDR and stereo photographs, and dedicated GPU power accelerate the creative apps you use every day. And combined with NVIDIA Studio Drivers, you will get optimized performance and the ability to supercharge your creativity. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.